Morning, you guys. Welcome to another vlog. This is going to be like just a cozy day in my life. I am just about to go and get some petrol because I have none. So I need to go and get some. I'm wearing a hat today for the first time in like a long time. Oh, got a big scratch there. Yeah, anyway. Hang on, let me pop you up a sec. So I am just leaving the house, going to get some petrol, and then I need to come back and take Echo out because she needs to go for a walk. RJ, mummy put on the heating. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna go, but this is gonna be a kind of just a chilled, cozy day in my life. I haven't vlogged in a long time, so just enjoy this day with me. Gary's away, he'll be back later on tonight. He was away last night, so it's going to be quite a nice little day. We're going to do chores around the house, catch up on some TV, have a coffee, chill out, catch up with you, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's go. Hey you guys, so I can't show you RJ, but I'm pushing him. It's the first time I actually brought his pushchair out in the woods because he's getting so heavy for his holdall now that I can't actually, I'm going to have to stand. I can't actually hold him really in there anymore without hurting my back. So yeah, just in the woods. I will show you more. Echo's just run off somewhere, so I'm going to go find her. But we're here, wait for all the autumnal stuff, and it's super exciting. Also, I put RJ's bag thing on him now, so he's nice and cozy. But let's go. What you doing? I absolutely bloody love this filter on Instagram. I just had to use it because look at that, kiddo. Okay, go on, let's go. Yeah, she's seen another dog, so she wants to go and play. We had to go a different route because the original route I went, which I've never been before, but it's meant to be Echo go, and meant to be wheelchair access. Couldn't get the words out then. Ended up being in the middle of a road. So thank God Echo listened and didn't go and get run over. There you go. RJ is currently exhausted, so he's kind of fallen asleep. I'm trying to push and talk, so I'm not being a very good mum at the minute. So I'm going to go and spend some time with my kids, meaning my dog child and my baby, and that's it. Ready? Guys, so I've got home, I've just put RJ to bed. I've got a ton of house chores to do, so I thought you could kind of just join me. It's a bit boring, but yeah, that's just the situation. Girl's gotta clean. I've just got a bit of washing up to do, and I'm gonna make a hot drink and all that good stuff. I also need to get some food. My food shop's not coming until tomorrow, so I need to write a list of meals I want to make because I have this tendency of buying like different meats and stuff like that, but not having any, not making a meal out of it. So I'm kind of just scrambling together, and that's really hard when you've got a baby because you just think you don't have a lot of time as it is, like in between feeds and bum changes and playtime and all of that. So. And I'm really trying to be a bit more conscious about the money I'm spending. Obviously, I'm on maternity leave. I'm really not shy in saying this. Obviously, I'm not earning any more money now from work. My statutory money's ended. So, you know, I've got to be really careful with money because Gary, bless him, is paying our mortgage, is paying the bills. Sorry, I'm just running a bit of water. And I keep saying this and it's so depressing. It really is. But the cost of living's going up. Like, cost of living is so hot, going up so much. Like firstly it was petrol and diesel, and now it's like your electricity bills are going up, and you know, your mortgage interest rates are going up, and the water bills going up, and it's just literally like all your bills are going up. All cost of food has gone up, and I know it's very political, and there's lots of stuff on the news about it, and they're trying to put things in place. But to be honest, I'm very lucky in the position that I'm in. Obviously I'm on maternity leave now, but I do have a very good day job. I get paid, you know, decent money. Gary gets paid decent money. So we're out of the threshold of ever getting any support. But we're not rich. Like, we live, you know, we live a comfortable life, and that's because we work hard to do so. But we're not loaded. Like, our money goes on, you know, we saved and we bought this house, and this is, you know, so our mortgage, and it goes on our bill, like our actual household bills, and we've got a baby. And obviously I know a lot of these things are choice. I get it, having a baby is a choice, but you know what, having children isn't cheap, and he goes to nursery when I go back to work, and that's a lot of money. Like, everything is just a lot of money, and with everything going up, it's actually really quite stressful. So yeah, I'm kind of trying to do my best at the moment with being a bit more conscious with the money I'm spending, but also like, I'm selling a load of things on eBay. I am, you know, trying to get more jobs with like my YouTube channel and stuff like that. So if you're interested in working with me, please reach out. But just, you know, I'm trying to just be a bit more mindful, and I get it, like, you know, people are in worse situations than I am, and, you know, people are really genuinely struggling, and, you know, I feel like sometimes, like, what right do I have to moan? I'm not moaning. I think it's just that genuinely it's a worry. Like, it's an actual worry. Like, with the interest rates going up, will we be able to afford our mortgage? Like, that's honestly a real thought in my head. But yeah, that's me getting on my high horse. Right, so I'm currently washing up. I need to tidy my kitchen. So I've just found Jane, put him down for a nap, because he's, bless him, he was falling asleep on the walk, and then he obviously held on because he wanted to see everything. He loves to see the trees, and, you know, he just likes to be with Echo, to be honest, a lot of the time. Although sometimes she just doesn't like to be with him. So yeah, he held on, and then he come back and he was hungry, because normally he has like a 10-30 bottle. Like, it's kind of like a give and take with him. Like, sometimes he'll have it, other times he just isn't interested in it. But yeah, he wanted a bottle, and then when he wakes up from his nap, probably half an hour later, he'll have some lunch. So I've got to try and get really organised, because there really isn't a lot of time to kind of get house stuff done. And I really just want a latte and a bit of chill time for myself, but that never really happens. So I've started watching Gilmore Girls. Really random, but I keep reading like all these autumn posts. You know, I'm a big fan of autumn, and I keep reading all these autumnal posts, and Gilmore Girls always crops up, and I'm like, it must be a really autumnal TV series for everybody to love it. But there's like 7 seasons. So I started watching it, and I'm actually starting to get into it. Like, it's actually really not too bad, because I always binge watch Friends. Autumn is like my Friends. I rewatch Friends every year. Very sad, but I do. I love it, because it makes me feel really cosy. I don't know why. I used to just put it on in the background when I was working, obviously when I'm not on calls and stuff, because I've watched every episode already like a gajillion times. But now I'm not working. I still am working, because my small business, and obviously with RJ, I am kind of, sorry, I'm swilling his bottles. They can't have suds in them. Well, yeah, but I thought, you know, because I've already watched Friends, I've watched all of them already this year. I finished Friends last week, and I was like, what do I watch now? And so I thought, I'm going to check out Gilmore Girls and see. So let me know if you love Gilmore Girls. I really want to know, because I'm kind of like, I'm enjoying it, kind of. I don't know. I don't know whether I've just completely just missed the boat, and maybe if I was a bit younger and was into it when it, I don't think it come out, but I think it was even a bit, I would be a bit too young for it, but you know, I don't know. There we go. That's just my thought process. I'm just gonna clean my house. So join me, clean me. Clean me? No, don't clean me. Clean with me. Say excuse the mess of me in this vlog because I don't think I'm going to look decent at all today. I've just got to, I'm going to eat my toast. I'm going to watch some Gilmore Girls. I've got to sort out the fireplace and all of Echo's stuff because they're a mess. And then just wait for RJ to wake up and play. And I've got to sort out my food. So I've got a few ideas already. I had a look at my cupboards. So that's the situation.
You can't find him. You can't find anyone. Everyone just keeps disappearing behind those doors. Come on, let's go. I didn't know you could do that.
I'll wait here.
Morning you guys, so it's the next day. I was meant to finish filming yesterday but my camera died and it's still dead, haven't charged it, completely forgot. I've made some banana scones this morning and I've just done myself a coffee, so I'm going to sit down while RJ's having a little nap, which I'm sure he'll probably wake up as soon as I sit down, and I'm going to try and have a bit of breakfast. We're going to Windsor Great Park later today to take Echo for a long, lovely W. And there may be some kind of still some flowers and stuff from, you know, from the Queen, so we might even see that. But yeah, we don't live too far from Windsor, so it'll be really nice. We haven't been there in a long time, so yeah. Sorry, I am filming on my phone, so it's a bit it's not as good. Well, it is as good, but but yeah, it's a bit weird. Anyway. Hey guys, so we're here in Windsor Great Park. This is our final stop on the vlog, so I hope you enjoyed it. I'll show you some more views of Windsor Great Park as we go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Yeah.